Hello everybody. So the electric stove has been decommissioned. We've set up the gas installation system. We have the metal cage on the outside here and the two cylinders that are connected in series. So what we have on here, we have a manifold system where you've got two valves. One valve is for one cylinder, the other one is for the next. So we have our cylinder connected there, it's opened. We have the safety device, the magic lock. So once the magnet is put there, the magic lock is activated, it's able to open. We're using this particular cylinder at the moment, that's why the valve is open, the other valve is closed. So from here, we ensure that the cage is locked. So this cage is mounted to the wall, it can't move, no one can steal from there. What we ensure is you just get to have that locked in. So we have the copper piping, which is running behind there, and it's going to the inside. Let's take a look on the inside. So we come to the inside, the copper piping is run in the cabinet. It's so concealed that you can't see it. We come to where we have our internal safety valve. That's your internal safety valve there. The copper piping that's coming up into the cabinet. So ensure that your valve is opened. So once the valve is opened, then you can come to the stove and you're actually able to ignite the stove. So this is the stove. It's a 5-burner gas stove. Once the knob is pushed in, you're turned on, it goes on. And that's the specific blue flame that you require for you to have complete combustion. So you push it in, you turn, and it ignites. You push it in, you turn, and it ignites. You push it in, you turn, and it ignites. So now we have our stove. It has been successfully installed. All the 5 burners are working, and we ensure that we have our safety valve that's there. So there's no need to always go in and out to open and close the cylinder because you have the safety valve that's on the inside. Thank you.